pepper. I got some onions, real sharp knife, eggs, and my famous pepper. Black pepper. Look at that. Black pepper. People must think I'm crazy here talking to myself over there. Probably looking, what the hell is that guy talking to? I'm talking to myself. Plus, millions watching me home on their TV screens and monitors and computers and YouTube. But anyways, only if I wish, eh? I wish that would happen. Poof. But that didn't happen. But anyways, I am cooking myself an omelette for lunch. Yes, but I'm not cooking all those eggs though. No way. We'll have some sweet peppers, onions and pepper, eggs. Real quick and simple for lunch. And in and out the door. So, here we go. We're going to get cooking. That egg did not crack the way I wanted it to crack. There we go. One egg. Get 2 eggs. Let's try this again. Go figure, eh? Just as soon as I crack an egg, the phone rings. Anyways, I'm going to have to answer that. Okay. Give me my master 3 eggs omelet with all kinds of good veggies. There we go. And that one cracked nicely. No shell, no nothing. Okay. Hey, look, there's a happy face. What a coincidence, eh? Yeah, little squiggly lines here. Gee, Cody, I'm gonna be an omelet. Now it's a, oh my god, I'm being cooked face. I'm gonna beat those suckers and we're gonna get this all fried up and ready to go. So, be right back. Alright. Scramble those eggs. Scramble those eggs. Scramble those eggs. By the way, that was the phone company that just phoned me up. My internet is dead right now, so I have to wait for the guy to come here. So it's going to be a while before I can upload this video. But it won't be a while to cook this food though. So, the eggs have been already scrambled up and ready to go. I'm going to add our veggies to the nice... Oh, look at that. Oh yeah, we're going to heat those suckers up. Soften them right up. And the smell, oh my gosh, you know the onions, oh, the smell of onions. Oh, the peppers are going to be coming up pretty soon here. Yes, it's going to be a freaking awesome freaking omelet for lunch. Yeah, it's probably only going to take me about 10 minutes to cook. Be right back. Let that sucker burn, let that sucker burn, let that sucker burn. See? Look at the black marks. That's burn marks. Soften up those peppers. Alright, people, I'm going to turn down the heat. We don't want to overcook the eggs now. Let the heat down, I don't know, down to 3 anyways. I might not, couldn't tell you what the exact temperature is, but from low, 1, 2, and 3, down to 3. I'm going to add the eggs. Oh yeah. Those are 3 eggs, people. 3 eggs. Look at that. Look at that puppy cook. Let that sucker cook. Be right back with some black pepper for a good NDN Joes song. There you go. Focus, focus. And the pepper. Add the pepper. Work the pepper shaker. Work that shaker. Work those fingers. That's it. That's it. 10 minutes is almost up. Lunchtime. Oh, lunchtime. Oh, lunchtime. Oh, hey, hey, oh, hey, oh. Alright, Indian Joe song. There's an omelet, just about ready. Add some more pepper. What the hell? I love my pepper. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys all later. I'll take a picture of the finished product after. There you go. Finished product. 3-egg omelet. Real quick. 10 minutes. In and out deal. Hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for tuning in.